Hey, how's everybody's Thursday going so far? I hope good. I mean, figuratively speaking, everybody have a good Thursday. We're gonna get into some of our game here. Pixel Strike 3D. Sorry, I forget the name. Pixel Strike 3D. We have all these unlocks here. Let's see. Go to our inventory. Can we change up our character here a little bit? No, there. Let's go like that. Okay, we'll use that guy. And let's snap into a game here, guys. Do some quick play. Salutes. Away we go. Oh, good kill. There we go, headshot. Good kill, okay. Oh, guys, right there, I could have missed some shots. Oh, I'm dead. Grenade over there. I totally missed it. Oh, I'm gonna die. I totally missed. Got him. Teammate gonna get him. Got that guy. They're waiting for me.